What's going on, everybody? It's Joe Giunta with Trend Trading Academy. I'm here to help you trade and get paid. I'm back with another Forex Forecast for the week of September 12th. It's going to be fire. I believe we got some really good movement coming this week. So let's jump right into it. All right, guys. So we're about to jump into this forecast. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell, get notified every time we drop content. Been working on some stuff in the background. You ain't going to want to miss it, so make sure you subscribe. You want to become a student and see the full picture? Go to trendtrading.academy, become a student, and let's get the whole thing. So check this out, guys. Here we are. We're looking at GBP AUD, the weekly chart, and I just kind of want to recap where we've been. I seen people on the comment the other day. Somebody said something about I was teaching you the wrong pair. I don't know what that means, but apparently they must not have been around this channel for very long, because we love GA. GA pays the bills out here, man. So definitely not the wrong pair. We love GA. But check this out. So I just to recap, I told you guys this is the area right here we're looking for as far as the swing. We got the down move. We got the teacup. We see this pullback that happened right here. Now, here's what's interesting about that pullback. If you come from here, right, and you drop that fib, you still actually have some room for pullback in there. But because I believe this is a teacup, I believe that we have probably, and again, there's no guarantees in Forex, but I think that we probably have seen our handle here. We saw a nice push up this past week after 2 weeks of bearish movement. That push up did not engulf the previous week. That's a little bit of a cause for concern that we could possibly see some down movement. Even if we do, we're okay with that. We think that as long as as long as we don't overtake these areas down here, then we're fine. But I think we could potentially even come down to here. But, either way, I think it's fine. So let me go ahead and drop a line on that. If we come down to like this area right here, we're still okay. All right. So, generally, I would say like this area right here, that's the lowest we really want to see. That's kind of like the zone that we really don't want to go below if we still think this is a teacup. So what's going to end up happening, though, is if it does push down some more, it'll push down into here and then push up. And I think we still have a lot of bullish momentum in the market here. But here's the next thing is even if this was the teacup handle right here, this little bit of bearish movement, we have some bullish movement here. I don't like that it didn't engulf, but it does still give us a strong bullish week. So the key is, what are we doing? We're filling the cup. So we're into the previous structure right here. What I would like to see happen is for that to break and then eat the rest of that cup. All right. So what does that mean to you? So essentially, if we're looking at pips, look over here. We're sitting right here. I would like to get above that right there and then eat the rest of that cup. I mean, come on, guys. 200 pips. You cool with 200 pips? I think we got a nice movement coming right there with a beautiful swing entry right above this structure right here. And if we do, we can eat about 200 pips. Let me drop a line on that for you. So I think we're looking right in here at the, let me go ahead and put that number for you, 189594. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to put that at 6. And we're going to drop it. There we go. So that's really your entry on the swing. We want to kind of let price, break past this level of structure. If that's if you're patient, you could wait for this previous candle to be engulfed, but I like to be patient, and you're going to get about 200 pips just on filling the cup. So now, mind you, of course, we still have our target area up here. Our target area in this area right here. So if we can get past that, if we fill the cup, there's really nothing stopping us. And at that point, I mean, we're looking at you know, from there to there, we're looking at another 375, you know, maybe even to 400 pips if we can get to the top of this zone right here. So I would say 375 to about 400 pips is what we're looking at right in here. You know, you could even get up to 500 or something if you clear that whole zone. But I would just say, conservatively speaking, you got 400 pips coming. So that looks good. Looks good. We're happy with what we saw so far. We like everything we've been seeing. So that looks good. So now let's bring it down here real quick on this 30-minute chart. You see how, you know, this structure looks really nice. All of this movement you see right here is that one weekly candle. So here's what I want to show you. It's really interesting. Look at how that looks on, you know, structure-wise, right? When you kind of look at that, it looks really solid. And when you look here, look at this, right? You're right around into that golden zone right now. So this is why I was saying that we could get some more movement down, because we are at the golden zone right now, really, you know, just approaching it. So if we get up in here, we could push down to reach that weekly golden zone down here before we push back up. And so, you know, that's fire. So we could see a lot of movement there. It's really just about how the week starts. Let's see what happens on Sunday, and I think we're gonna you know, really get some solid movement. But tune in. I'm gonna talk about it throughout the week. One of my goals this week for YouTube is that I want to call one of the trade setups that we give TTA. I'm going to give it to YouTube. I'm going to give something to YouTube this week. So stay tuned. You know, we're later into this video. So for those of you who only watch the first 2 minutes of a video and don't watch it all the way through, you just missed out, because late in the video I just told y'all I'm dropping a trade setup on YouTube this week. So it pays to watch the videos all the way through. But for those of you who did watch all the way through, go ahead and drop some emojis. You know, drop some love, drop a strong arm emoji, whatever it is you like to do. Fire emoji. Drop it down below. Let me know if you're excited about getting a trade set up this week, and I'm gonna give you a solid trade setup as GBP AUD allows, and we're gonna make some money together. All right. So be on the lookout. Lots of dope content coming. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, get the notifications, become a student at trendtrading.academy, and get your journal and your trading gear at tradinggetpaid.com. You need all of it. It's going to help you take you to the next level. I'll see you in the next video.